Have you ever wondered how your devices can connect to the internet without any wires? How does your phone know how to connect to the Wi-Fi network at the coffee shop? In this video, we're going to answer all of these questions and more. We're going to explore the magic of Wi-Fi and find out how it works to keep us connected to the internet. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It's a type of radio wave that's used to transmit data between devices. Radio waves are a form of electromagnetic radiation, just like light and microwaves. They are invisible to the human eye, but they can be detected and used to transmit information. Wi-Fi devices use a special type of radio signal called a spread spectrum signal. Spread spectrum signals are very efficient at transmitting data over long distances and in noisy environments. They do this by spreading the data over a wide range of frequencies. This makes it more difficult for other devices to interfere with the signal. Wi-Fi devices use two different frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz band is more widely used, but it is also more crowded with other devices such as microwave ovens and cordless phones. The 5 GHz band is less crowded, but it has a shorter range. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, a device must first detect the network signal. This is done by scanning the radio spectrum for networks that are broadcasting their signal. Once the device has found a network that it wants to connect to, it will send a request to the network. The network will then authenticate the device and allow it to join the network. Once a device is connected to a Wi-Fi network, it can start transmitting and receiving data. This is done by converting the data into a radio signal and sending it out over the air. The other devices on the network will then receive the signal and convert it back into data. Wi-Fi has a number of benefits over other types of wireless connections. Here are some of the main benefits. Speed. Wi-Fi is much faster than cellular data, which typically has speeds of around 100 megabits per second. Reliability. Wi-Fi is also very reliable. It has a low error rate and is not as susceptible to interference as cellular data. Versatility. Wi-Fi can be used with a wide variety of devices, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs. Wi-Fi is a versatile and powerful technology that allows us to connect to the internet quickly and easily. It is used in homes, businesses, and public places all over the world. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about how Wi-Fi works. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about technology and science.